these antennae were supposed to capture, or hoping to capture, neutrinos, which are one of the most incredible subatomic things in the universe. At this very moment, our bodies are being slammed by hundreds of trillions of neutrinos, which come from the sun. They pass right through our body without interacting with our atoms. They're called ghost particles because they're everywhere, they're invisible, and they can pass through solid objects. So this is what this array of antennae we're hoping to capture. Just to capture one is a Herculean task. Never mind that we've got hundreds of trillions passing through us at any moment. So that's basically what they've done. They've determined that cosmic rays can pass through solid material and produce radio waves, and we can now capture it, which is fascinating because we're always on the lookout for signals from outer space and deep space, and now we can use the Arctic to do just that.
I can't follow. Where are they coming from? It's not it's a phenomenon that was predicted, but we don't know where it was coming from.
Well, cosmic rays from deep space. A cosmic ray can be produced by the sun. It can be produced by a supernova. It can be produced by a black hole devouring a star. Cosmic rays, many scientists now believe, have a lot to do with climate. So-called global warming, not man-made global warming. Actually, it's caused by cosmic rays, more than likely.
Wow.
Okay.
Now, we've had guests on our show, one of whom, Eric Hecker, I'm sure you probably know, who was stationed at the South Pole Station. He was there in a plumbing capacity, working on the South Pole Station as a defense contractor at the time, and described it as a ice cube neutrino detector, massive ice cube neutrino detector at that South Pole Station. And there's all sorts of questions as to what sort of nefarious things they may have been up to at that South Pole Station. Maybe you could talk a little bit about what you know about some of the off-limits areas that we're not allowed to visit.
Well, most of the South Pole is off-limits. Most of us will never set foot on the South Pole. There is this Antarctic treaty that's been in place there since 1959, so no one can make territorial claims. It can't be militarized, but who knows? When was the last time a treaty was actually followed? Whenever my listeners at Strange Planet hear Antarctic, their ears prick up because, it's not so much about what happens on the surface of the Antarctic, it's what, lies beneath. And I've not spoken with Eric Hecker, but I have talked to people like Brad Olson, who has written volumes about the mysteries of the Antarctic.